If we look at this mini experiment again, we can see that momentum is conserved even when the objects don't stick together. So when we hit this trolley here, and then they don't stick together and they move off with separate velocities, I've got a wee bit of work to do to find the values. So before the collision, the first trolley, the mass of 2 kilograms moving at 3 meters per second, giving you a momentum of 6. The other one wasn't moving, so the total momentum before the collision is 6 kilogram meters per second. And when we look at after the collision, once again we've got to split it up into the individual bits. And the first trolley is now going at 1 meter per second, so its momentum is 2. And the 1 kilogram trolley is going at 4 meters per second, so its momentum is 4. And the total momentum then is 2 plus 4 is 6 kilogram meters per second. So once again we can see that momentum is conserved during this collision. Or, as it's usually expressed, the total momentum before a collision equals the total momentum after the collision in the absence of net external forces, i.e. stuff like friction.